The cross-origin attribute is used in HTML5 to control whether and how content loaded from other domains can interact with the document that loaded it. When dealing with Angular and video tags, you might encounter scenarios where you need to fetch media from a different domain. And this is where the cross-origin attribute becomes important. Here's a brief explanation. Anonymous. This setting allows the video to be loaded without sending any credential information. Cookies, TLS certificates, etc. If the server doesn't give credentials to the origin site, via access control allow origin, the video will be blocked. Use credentials. This setting can be used when the video requires credentials. It will send credentials with the request for the video. If the server doesn't allow credentials, the video won't be loaded. Remember to configure the server to respond with the appropriate CORS headers for the content to be accessed properly.